things your way.
Yeah, well, guess what? I look out for number one. And what else?
Exactly. How can we rely on you if you don't do what we ask?
So, what are you saying, Pika?
I'm saying, until further notice, you're suspended from the academy.